Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Kayla from the YouTube channel Panko Bunny, and today we're making some snap eclairs. This is the best and the easiest eclair dough, and we're turning them into adorable little snaps. So let's get started. First, to make the eclairs, in a large pot, combine the water, butter, sugar, and salt. Set this to high heat and bring it to a boil. Stir in the flour with a wooden spoon and mix until a film forms on the bottom of the pan. Transfer the dough to a bowl and cool for 3 to 4 minutes. Add the eggs one at a time, stirring vigorously and completely incorporating each egg after each addition. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip and pipe wiggly worms onto baking sheets lined with parchment paper. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Cool them on the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack and cool completely. To make the glaze, place the white chocolate into a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for 30-second intervals until melted. Add some matcha green tea powder to dye it green. Slice the eclairs in half and spoon the chocolate on top. Place the eclairs into the fridge until the chocolate has almost set for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then stick the candy eyes onto one end of the eclairs. Place the red candy melts into a microwave-safe bowl and microwave for 30-second intervals until melted. Pop them into a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and snip off the end to create a small round piping tip, and pipe snap's mouth and antenna with the red candy melts. Then to make the cream filling, place some whipping cream, confectioner sugar, custard flavoring, and a couple drops of yellow food coloring into a bowl and beat with an electric mixer until stiff peaks form. Place the cream into a piping bag fitted with a large star-shaped piping tip. Pipe dollops of cream into the sliced eclairs and you are done! So thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you liked this recipe. If you have requests for any other best Fiends themed recipes or videos, make sure to leave them in the comments down below. And if you don't want to miss out on any other best Fiends content, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you're interested in cooking, I actually have a cooking show here on YouTube at youtube.com/pankobunny, and I would absolutely love to see you there. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and we will see you next time.